Alrighty, that'll do it for today. Drove in this morning, saw that one, it looked like an 8-pointer or better. He was a good deer. Once we pulled in, we was in there way too early. Then I meant to get some footage of it. Then we went back to Blowbags Den and got the stand, the ladder stand I killed that one doe out of on the first day of archery season, and I put it up. Then we're set up straight ahead in front where I showed you this morning, and we're gonna crawl back in there in the morning and we're gonna make it happen. I doused, there's a rub that's, I mean, that far off the ground at least. It's 3 foot from the bottom of the ground. It probably was that deer, or one even bigger than that. There's some rubs in there. There's about 3 or 4 of them in a 15-yard slant. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.